to today's slow Foxtrot video. We will look at routine, curve feather, running finish to promenade position, natural twist turn, progressive chassé to right and weave ending. Man starts curve feather with right foot forward, forward and forward outside. Partner running finish to promenade position, back to side and to side in promenade position. Natural twist turn, forward in promenade to side, cross and twist to side and forward outside partner. Progressive chassé to right, forward, side, close, side weave ending, back in CBMP, back to side and forward outside partner. Lady steps, lady starts curve feather with left foot back, back and back in CBMP, running finish to promenade position, forward outside partner to side, brush and to side in promenade position. Natural twist turn, forward, 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 forward outside partner to side, back and back in CBMP. Progressive chassé to right, back, side, close, side, weave ending, forward outside partner, forward to side and back in CBMP. With teaching count, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, 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 quick. And slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick, 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 quick. And now let's look at technique tips. Man's footwork in progressive chassé to right and weave ending, sway in progressive chassé to right, body contact in running finish to promenade position and tips for natural twist turn. Man's footwork is heel toe, 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 weave ending toe, toe, toe and toe heel. Now let's look at the wrong version, where the man at the end of progressive chassé lowers the heel and first step of weave ending he pushes from heel. That's wrong. Now version with sway in chassé and then weave ending. Let's look again. So man sways slightly to left, then straight when closing feet and continues with straight posture without sway. Let's notice that lady corresponds to man's action. She sways to right, head weight to right, then head weight to left and continues with normal posture without extra sway. Now let's look at body contact in running finish. So we keep body contact and V-shape in promenade position. Let's look what could go wrong. When we open promenade position, lady shifts slightly to left side of man. That's wrong. Let's look again, correct version. So lady keeps contact in promenade slightly behind the man. Let's look once again, wrong version, where the lady in opening promenade shifts herself slightly in front of man. Natural twist turn, man starts with right foot forward in promenade position, then goes to side around the lady, then cross behind, now twist turn, and then with right foot inside edge of foot, whole foot, and closes without weight, left foot and forward outside partner, which is feather ending. Lady starts with left foot forward in promenade position, then forward between man's feet. Now she goes forward with left side lead, then forward outside partner and to side, then close without weight and back in CBMP. I would like to thank all participants and also my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. I also ask you to consider joining me on Patreon and have early access to new videos and learn from me, Egils Smagris, personally. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.